Hello and welcome to Tech Computer Classes. This is the session of Microsoft Windows, another session. So today's topic, what we are going to cover is Microsoft Windows application Wordpad. Now Wordpad is a text editing program you can use to create and edit the documents. Unlike Notepad, Wordpad document can include rich formatting and graphics, and you can link to or embed objects such as pictures or other documents also. So you can create any sort of documents in a Notepad application given by Windows operating systems. You can also link the pictures also, and you can embed the object also in Microsoft. So let's start with some of the practicals in Wordpad. I will tell you each and every step by steps. So just click, take your mouse towards Start menu, All Programs, Accessories, and take it. Select Wordpad application. So there are the simple steps to type in your text editor. So always remember. So we'll get an introduction related to the screen of Wordpad. What is this Wordpad? Okay, here the front panel which you can see is this is your menu of Wordpad, from where you can create a new document, open document, save document, save as document. So these are the commands given over here, and same things from here you will see with the help of your buttons also. And here you will see that there is a save option of button. So this is the save button given over here, and there is a shortcut key also given, that is Control S. So if you want, so there are the three options in Windows 7 operating systems of Microsoft Wordpad where you can use it. So in three patterns you can use. Like if you want to open your file from here, you can say open, or if you here, and if you want to open with the help of shortcut key, you can press shortcut keys like Control O. You will see that the dialog box is open over here, and we have to select the file accordingly where it is kept, in which drive it is kept. Follow? So we have to be very careful about it. So we should know that where a file is kept in which folder, right? So I'll just give the introductions of. So this is your Wordpad menu. These are your command buttons. You can call the ribbon buttons also. This is clipboard, which contains paste, cut, copy. These are the fonts, means writing, size, color, bold, italics, underline, whatever we want. These are the paragraph alignment. If you want to align anything in center, left, right, paragraph wise. If you want to add any picture, as I said that in your document we can also add the pictures also. We can give date and time. Okay. Any text we want to find, or we want to replace it, the text, we can replace it. Yes. Some of the commands which are inactive. Okay. So we need not have to touch any of the commands right now. So here now Wordpad is telling you is that we are ready to type our text. So I will take a simple format of text from net. I'll take a simple format. Okay. From here I will take okay. So this is the text. Suppose, just assume that this is a text which we have typed here. This is your cursor which is moving up arrow, down arrow from here. Up arrow, down arrow, you can move between the text. This is your text which you have typed. Okay. Now after typing this, we need to format our text. So remember that whenever we are typing, do not touch any of your commands. Like for example, if I will say I want to type a biodata, I will type biodata like okay. Don't touch anything. Always be clear about this. Now if you want to jump towards right side, press tab button 2 to 3 times. Yes. Tab button. So you keep your mind set where you want to click, where you have to give tab button, when you have to keep upper lower case while writing. So you have to be very careful while typing. So do not touch any commands. So now just you have to assume that this already we have typed this document over here. Now after typing this document, we have to format the document like with the help of these commands. Now what is a requirement exactly? Like suppose for example, if I want this right margin is unformatted, so what will I do? I will take my mouse towards the left side here and make a block. See the pointer how it looks like, and then I will drag it from here. Okay. Or suppose if you want to select all text, the whole text, you can press Ctrl A. Ctrl A is to select the text. Now if you will see that your text is selected, and then you have to click justify. You will see that your right margin is justified. Okay, click right click. Now if you want to highlight this, only this, click here and the bold, click on bold or press Ctrl B. Control. Always there are two options, whether you select the command or whether you select shortcut key. If you want to increase the size, you can increase the size from here. 16. Always give appropriate size which looks your document very nice. See now the document is changed. Now if you want to give paragraph to this particular things, take your mouse towards this left margin upper part of the corner, just move and see that your first line has been given paragraph over here. Make a block here, take your mouse towards upper part of this margin, you can make it like this also. Let's see. Along with this also it is getting this first line. That's wrong. Take it one by one. First, step by step, you will see. So all your paragraphs are aligned, right? If you want to press enter, you will get a space in the topmost part of the margin, top margin. You want to write articles for text forum. This is center. can say Control E, Control L, Control R just for the right margin. So these are the shortcut buttons. Just now which I said was the shortcut key. For center is Control E, for left it is Control L, and for right it is Control R, and to justify anything, the text if you have is Control J. I want this title on center. You can take it on center. Okay. If you want to make a big title, you can click this button, grow font, the same font which you don't want to change. These are the fonts which you can change. The different types of fonts are given. Remove the bold sign because already the font itself is a bold, so there is no need of taking a bold command. Okay, see here now how it looks like. Your text looks attractive. Okay, if you want to give underline also, you can give underline, enter. Now you will find a bit bigger space over here. Sorry, so there is a space. To remove the space, make a block of these two lines, article for text forum and this line, and there is an option here. There is a line spacing over here. Just take one and then again select, add 10 spaces after paragraph. So the spaces. Now to copy any of your text again and again, now take your cursor here. Now suppose if you want to repeat any paragraph or any text or any part of the paragraph, you have to take your mouse towards that location. Just click over there. You will find cursor coming onto that position, and then click and drag, and you will find your text is selected. And then either press Ctrl C or right click, press copy, or you can take it this copy command from here also and select where you want, in which location, Ctrl V. You will see that as many times if you want you can take it. I have pressed 3 times, so that's why it has come 3 times. So by mistake it has come, but I wanted only 1 time. You can press undo. This is the undo button. Undo button over here, 1 and 2. This is your redo. If you find that I wanted 2 times this paragraph, so you can repeat this again also. So undo and redo. Undo is Ctrl Z and redo is Ctrl Y. Okay, so you have to remember the shortcut keys. This is very wonderful thing, so that it makes your work faster and you can save your time. So always your shortcut should be on your fingertip. Okay, so this was your text. If you want to save this, you can save this file here, and you can give your file name, and the extension to this file is RTF, that is rich text format. But the second good thing is this file can be opened in Microsoft Word also. Now always remember, always save your file as per your work done. Like suppose if I want to save this file on D drive, what will I do is always make a folder. Always make a folder. Like suppose this is an article, so I will give the articles. Okay, enter. So here you will find that this article is in D drive, and then you have to specify the file name related to your work. So like I have given, this is the text forum, so I will give this, suppose say text forum article. So give file name as per your subject, and in a particular folder, and whenever you want to open, you will go in that folder and open your file, and you can again edit your file. Now you want to create a new file, either click onto the menu, new, you will find your file becomes new, you will get a new editor, and again you can type with a new text. Okay, if you want to open that same file, either you can select it from the recent document, or if you can't see this from the recent document, and you can go and open, you will find that sometimes you may not get also. Suppose for example, if I click, I close this, don't say, if I say start, I will go in program, accessories, and again I will start this for the next day, and I want to open that file. You will see that there is no file over here, but you know that where your file is kept, so you have to go in open, or if you know the shortcut key, you can press Ctrl O, then you will see this library and document, but it is in your D drive where it is article. You will see this file here, and just click open button, and your file is open. Now you found that these are the two paragraphs which are not in use. You can select this, again you can delete, and again you can save this file. Press here or press Ctrl S. Follow? Now suppose for example, if you want to add a, say, if you want to remove this paragraph, again you take your margin towards the left location, again you will come back, if you want to give spacing, like make a block to particular paragraph only, there is a spacing given over here 1.5. so always type your text first and then use the command respectively. Which commands are used for your text? Don't use any commands. One, if I say okay. If you want to give bullets, here there are bullets, numbering, ABC, whatever you want to give, you can select from here. The numbering, some of the points are there, like suppose for example, if I want to type some items are there, suppose tables, roads, vehicles, transport, suppose. So this is the text for example, and if I want, I will remove the space from here, and I want the bullet, you will see that bullet coming in an attractive format. This way automatically it will indent your bullets. This is 1, 2, 3 or ABC, uppercase, lowercase, what you want as per your need. Okay, so this is the bullet to make your text attractive. So which command is applicable during the typing process? So first of all you have to type, and then you have to select your text accordingly, and then you have to use the commands. Okay, I hope you must have understood this commands, when you have to use this commands and how you have to use this command. Okay, now coming to the point which how, as I told you that you can also add the pictures in this. So select the select over here, keep your cursor here, select the picture over here, picture. Now suppose if I want say one more picture over here, I'll say open here, you will see that picture coming, the big picture. You can click here, you will see the dots coming to all four sides of square. Make a small, click here, make it small. Now here you cannot align this anything. Now your text will remain as it is. Okay, so this is the Wordpad, how it functions. So this is a very important application. If you don't have your Microsoft Word also, you can type a small letter or any sort of documents and you can accomplish your task in Microsoft Word. Now one more thing, if you want to create any duplicate document of it and you want to edit that same document, so you have to click here and press save as, and you will find that the text forum article is shown here as a file name. Now you want to give something different, so you can just say article forum, like only this much, and save. You will find, and you want to remove this paragraph for this, and you want only 2. Now in the upper part you will find that article forum is saved as this 2 paragraph, and if you will see this file, now this is saved, and you will find, so that has become the duplicate copy of this file. From that, 1 paragraph was been removed. So save is to save your file, and save as is to create the duplicate copy of the file, and you can edit that file afterwards. Okay, this is the print command. Okay, select the print from your printer. If you have a printer, you can select the print, the numbers of copies, how many copies you want of the letter or whatever text you have typed here. So altogether there are from 1 to 65,535 pages are there. Okay, so this was your Wordpad, very useful applications in Microsoft Windows. So yeah, one more thing I forgot to tell you, that if you want to search any common word from the top of the page to the end of the page, suppose if you want to find something, like if you want to find say simply, S-I-M-P-L-Y, and if I say find, if you will see that automatically it will jump on to that location. See, again I will do it, find, and as soon as it will see all the simplify, you will get a message, Wordpad has finished searching the document. Now if you want to change from simply to simple, you can say replace. If I say simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, simple, and if I click on replace all, you will see that simple is simply has been converted to now simple. Okay, so this is how you can, but you have to keep your cursor on top of the page, and then you have to use the command. As I told you, that select all is for Control A. You can press Control A also, or you can select the button from the ribbon toolbar. So this were some of the commands related to the Wordpad. So yeah, I will end with the Windows 7 operating system Wordpad application. Thank you very much.